Today we are going to solve some numerical problem related to pressure, in which the first question is a hydraulic press have a two piston press two piston one small piston area of 100 centimeter square and large one have 1 meter square area and the force acting on a small piston is 10 Newton. In this question, a hydraulic press have two piston. One small piston have an area of 100 centimeter square and large one have a 1 meter square. You don't have to confuse about this 100 centimeter square. This is the small unit, and this 1 meter square, this is the large unit. So which piston have a large area, then this is large one. Small piston मा कति छ त 10 न्यूटन फोर्स लगाएको छ नि. How much weight can large piston lift up? अब लार्ज पिस्टनले कति तौल उठाउन सक्छ त? दिस इज द क्वेसन. हामीले सानो पिस्टनमा 10 न्यूटन फोर्स लगायो भने ठुलो पिस्टनले कति दिन्छ त? दिस इज वन पिक्चर अफ प्रेसर. यो सानो पिस्टन भयो. सानो पिस्टनमा कति छ त यसको? 100 सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायर एरिया छ. दिस इज 1 मिटर स्क्वायर. यु शुड हैव टु टेक इन वन सेम युनिट. एउटै सेम युनिटमा लिएर आउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. And here is the 10 Newton of force. And यसले माथितिर दिने कति फोर्स दिन्छ त? This F2 force कति दिन्छ त माथितिर? This we have to find this F2. And solution. In the solution, here given area of a small piston A1 equal to 100 centimeter square. And while solving this numerical, you should have to remember, while changing this unit, you should have to change into SI unit. SI unit of area is meter square, so you have to convert this. Here is the 2 centimeter, you have to convert into meter. We have this quantity, and while we have to convert this 1 centimeter into meter, you have to divide by 100. एउटा सेन्टिमिटरलाई मिटरमा कन्भर्ट गर्नु पर्यो 100 ले डिवाइड गर्ने, and another centimeter by 100. In this way you have to convert, and this will be How much? 0.01 meter square. Now you can see clearly this is the small and this is the large. Area of large piston A2 equal to 1 meter square. Force acting on small piston, that is F1 equal to 10 Newton, and force acting on large piston F2 equal to what? You have to find this F2. And you should have to memorize again the Pascal's law. According to the Pascal's law, the pressure is transmitted equally. That is, according to Pascal's law के भन्छ त P1 equal to P2. P1 means pressure on small piston and P2 means pressure on large piston. Now, P1 equal to F1 upon A1. Pressure means force upon area. Then F2 equal to, or F1 means 10 upon A1 means 0.01 equal to F2 mean, we have to find this value, A2 mean 1. And you have to make a cross multiply. You have to make a cross multiply. 10 into 1, F2 equal to, के भन्नु भयो त F2 यता बच्छ, I will write on here, 10 into 1 upon 0.01 equal to F2. That implies F2 equal to how much? 10. You have to make this 1 by multiplying 100, then this will be 10 into 100 means 1000 Newton. F2 equal to 1000 Newton. कति यहाँ 10 न्यूटन एप्लाई गर्दाखेरि यहाँ कति आउँदो रहेछ त 1000 न्यूटन यसले लिफ्ट अफ गर्न सक्दो रहेछ. You can see there, this is the 100 times. एरिया बढाइयो भने force lift off गर्ने के हुन्छ त capacity of lift off force will be increased. Now we have to move toward the second question. I hope you understand this. This is easy. Only you should have to remember this Pascal's law, and you should have to remember this unit. And next question. Here is 3 piston. This is piston A, B, and C. It have a 30 centimeter square, and it have 20 centimeter square of area. It have 2500 Newton. It feel the pressure of 25 Newton. And A have 200 Newton. And first question, look at the picture and find the force on B. Second question, area of C. These two quantity we don't know, so you have to going to erase this. You have to write given लेख्नु पर्यो. Here F1 equal to 200 Newton or FA equal to 200 Newton and area of A equal to how much? 20 centimeter square, and force on B equal to what? Area of B equal to 330 centimeter square, and FC equal to 250 Newton. AC equal to what? And we know, according to Pascal's law, P1 equal to P2 equal to P3 equal to PA. We are representing here with alphabet. PA upon AA equal to FB upon AB equal to FC upon AC. According to Pascal's law, this pressure on this all the pistons should be equal, and we should have to remember this PA means pressure on A, piston A, and this is pressure on piston B, and this is pressure on piston C. Then pressure is force upon area. This A represents the piston, and B represents the second piston, and C represents the third piston. Now we have to put the values. FA 200 upon 20 equal to FP we have to find out, and this is 30. Here we don't have to change this. यो सबै सेन्टिमिटरमा भएको हुँदा यसलाई हामीले चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता छैन. यो एरिया पनि केमा आउँछ त सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायरमा नै हुनेछ. Then this is 250 upon AC. Now first and second term, first or second term लेख्यो भने 200 upon 20 equal to FP upon 30. Now cross multiply this. 200 into 30 upon 20 equal to FB. You have to cut this 110, and this 2 into this 100 times 100 into 3 or 300 equal 300 Newton equal to FB. This is force, so we have to write Newton. This is the unit of Newton. यसरी के आयो त force acted on piston B will be 300 Newton. In area also we can now take this first and last term. Taking first and third, क्या आउँछ त 200 upon 20 equal to 250 upon AC. Now cross multiply this. AC into 200 equal to 250 into 20, and AC equal to 250 into 20 divided by 200. 200 is 10 times, and this 0 and 0. AC equal to क्या आयो? This is area, and all the unit of area is centimeter, so this is centimeter square. 25 centimeter square on the region. In this way we can find this. Now I'll tell again. We have to see on this figure, and we have to find the force on the B, and for area of C. And these are the given terms on figure. And solution here. According to Pascal's law, pressure on the every piston should be equal. So PA, PB, PC, ABC piston ma लागेको pressure equal हुन्छ. Then pressure is force upon area. Then force on A and area of A. This is the ratio to find the pressure. And we have to put these values. And taking first and second term, यो दुईवटा टर्महरुलाई लियो फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड टर्मलाई. Then what will be this, and you have to cross multiply on here, and FB will be 300 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. In similar way, you should have to take this first term and this last term. Why you have to take first term? Because these two quantity are known and only one quantity is unknown. If we take this second and last term, we don't know these two terms, so we cannot find the next term. You can take, but you should have to put this value on FB. FB मा तिमीले यो भ्यालु राख्यो भने के आउँछ त, हामीले यो सेकेन्ड र लास्ट टर्मलाई पनि युज गर्न सक्छौं. टेकिङ फर्स्ट एन्ड लास्ट टर्म, then similar process like this, cross multiply, and AC will be this. In this way, you should have to solve these numericals. And this much about the Pascal's law. And now I have a next question about the law of flotation. On there is the given density of liquid equal to 800 kg per meter square, and the volume we have to find volume of displaced liquid, weight of hydrometer, weight of hydrometer equal to 0.2 Newton. There is no mass, so you don't have to forget. Mass थियो भने kg अथवा ग्राम आउनु पर्थ्यो. This is weight. Weight is similar like a force, and when it is float. And I'll make a draw like this. एउटा यति पानी छ अथवा कुनै एउटा लिक्विड छ जसको कति छ त 800 kg per meter square के छ त यसको डेन्सिटी छ. And when we dip a hydrometer, यहाँनिर हामीले एउटा हाइड्रोमिटर डिप गर्यो भने के हुन्छ त, इट रिप्लेस अ वाटर कति त, कति भोल्युम वाटर चाहिँ, भोल्युम अफ दिस वाटर we have to find, कति रिप्लेस गर्छ त. दिस हाइड्रोमिटर have a weight of, weight कति छ त 0.2 Newton. Now solution. According to, you can use your Archimede's principle also. Archimede's principle and law of flotation, these are almost similar type of this. According to, these two are based on the upthrust. And here, according to the weight of hydrometer equal to weight of displaced liquid, That implies this is 0.2 Newton and this is equal to weight of displaced liquid. Weight of displaced liquid कति आयो त 0.2 Newton आयो. Then we know that like gravity मा पढेको छौं weight W equal to mass into acceleration. And here we have to find this weight mean weight of this liquid, this is 0.2 Newton, and mass is, we have to find this mass, and gravitation, value of gravitation, we have to take 10 for your easiness, and you can use 9.8 meter per second square also, and for this easiness we will take this. Then mass equal to how much? M equal to 0.2 upon 10, or M equal to how much? We are taking meter per second square. Meter is a SI unit, so we have to take a mass also on kg. This is 0.02 kg. And this is a mass. Also we know that again density D equal to mass upon volume, or volume equal to M upon D. This is the cross multiplication. Or volume V equal to how much? Mass means 0.2 kg upon density 800. kg per meter square. Now let's see what will be the volume. We have to calculate, and how much? You have to make a calculation. This is 2 upon 8000. This will be 1.5 into 10th power 5 meter square. 1.5 into 10th power minus 5. This means 0.0000015 meter square. You have to do on calculator. This will be the solution. And next one, and some numericals are coming from the relative density, but on your course that is eliminated by the CDC, so we don't have to solve these questions. This will not come on your examination. So these three questions on the basis of this Pascal's law and Archimedes principle, also law on the basis of law of flotation, or the law of flotation also, this is same. Law of flotation ले के भन्छ त weight equal हुनुपर्छ, is the weight of the displaced liquid and the weight of this object which is immersed in water should be equal. This is the same way, and you should have to solve like this. And this much about the numerical problems, and we'll come with the next topics on the next session.